Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I am featuring this upgraded easy contour Vpart wig from Nadula hair. Here's how the wig comes packaged. You get a dust bag and a few accessories. The upgraded part of the wig is that it's super flat now. It also comes with a adjustable drawstring in the back, and they do have combs at the top instead of clips. Now this hair texture is new. They actually mixed water wave and Jerry curly hair together, so this is what it looks like after it's been freshly washed and air dried. Outside of clip-ins, Vpart wigs and Upart wigs are definitely my second favorite. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed this unit. I also did a few styles as you saw in the beginning of the video. Super easy. The wigs are so versatile and so easy to install. You can literally go from nothing to something in like 5 minutes. So I'm just here to show you how easy it is. And Nadula is definitely in my top 5 hair companies. I haven't had a unit or clip-in or bundle that I haven't been happy with, so I'm always excited to show you guys new stuff from them. So the good part about these V-parts is you really don't have to leave a whole lot of hair out. I know some people actually leave no hair out, but if you've been here for a while, you know that I am a leave out kind of girl. Like, I need some leave out, so that's my thing. I think all the wigs now come like medium or like one size fits all, so the adjustable drawstring in the back is super helpful to make sure your wig fits nice and secure. I like to think that my head is kind of small, so I find tightening the drawstring is really helpful. Now, as far as styling this wig, when it was wet, it was given like deep wave, but then when it dried, it got, as you can see, really curly. So I attempted to like crimp my hair at first, but I didn't like it, so I didn't even show y'all this part, because wand curling your leave out is just the way to go. You can make the curls loose, you can make them tight. I just like being able to control the kind of curl that I get, so that's all I'm doing here. I'm just wanding my leave out with the extension so that it all blends together. And if I didn't mention, this unit also came pre-cut, so it does have some layers in it already. I didn't feel the need to cut any more. I'm actually pretty satisfied with how it looks, so I'm just blending my leave out. And this is how that looks. Now, when it comes to styling my U parts, I feel like I style them how I style my natural hair. I love me a good half up, half down, 2 ponytail, 2 bangs in the front look. If you follow me, you've definitely seen that a bunch of times. So I'm just trying that out on this unit. You literally can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want to do. So I am just going to show you guys what that looks like. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. And this is that completed look. So cute, so fun, so girly. On to a new style. New day, new style. So I put the wig back on, and today I'm just doing a regular half up, half down. I don't like a lot of product on my hair, so I try to do these styles when my hair is a little more dirty, so that, you know, I'm not messing up a good silk press. So I don't use a lot of product on my hair, as you will see. So I'm just securing the back with the ponytail with a little bun. Since the hair is curly, it kind of doesn't matter because you won't see it. So I am using a oil spray, like an oil sheen type of spray. This is also a heat protectant, but I love the sheen it gives my hair. Just the luster, the shine, the smell, it's just everything. I'll be sure to list all the products that I do use in the description box for you guys, but I'm just sectioning off the front piece because this is what I am going to attach the wig hair to. But of course I have to like style my edges and my sideburns, so that's all I'm doing first. Okay, another freshly washed. I wash these wigs very often, almost after every use. So I'm just clipping it on. So since it doesn't have the clips at the end anymore, well, it has combs now. I can't clip the whole thing. So I do use the first two clips. Then I make sure to adjust it. I adjust the drawstring in the back to make sure it's super snug. I hook all the combs. I just hook all the combs and then I flip the other side. Well, you'll see. I kind of flip it. It's kind of sped up, but as you can see, I just tuck that under and it gives the illusion that it's literally just coming out my scalp. So y'all, this is brilliant. I watched a bunch of like half up, half down Vpart videos, and this is just so smart. Whoever came up with this, you're so smart. I've been taking a break from actual quick weaves, and I just feel like since I've been doing that, the alternatives is just so much better. Like the commitment, what commitment? I like to change my hair literally almost every day, and you can take this off at the end of the day. So anyways, I'm just here showing you how much hair I actually sectioned off. Probably will leave out more next time because I do want a fluffier ponytail, but I'm just here to demonstrate what you can do. So it's an idea. What I would do differently though is just use one ponytail holder. I didn't want to just use one ponytail holder. You don't really need two, or if you do use two, use a smaller one because you have to wrap it a little more. But luckily my hair was like long enough to wrap around both ponytail holders. You just need some bobby pins to secure it so that it doesn't move. That's all. So this is the final style. This is probably my favorite style. I just love how it looks. The hair is nice and soft. It was just easy to style. It's just, the hair is just easy to style. It's so soft. It's so lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's not uncomfortable at all. If you're looking for a style that doesn't use a lot of tension on your actual hair, I would definitely suggest doing this. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.